Waking up early has helped me a lot in my life. I think one of the reasons that I've been successful in life is I'm waking up early. I had to wake up early for trading because I live in Vancouver. But waking up early is one of the best things that successful people say. The 5 a.m. club. Never miss a sunrise, never miss a sunset. That's starting around 5 a.m. in the morning. If I have time, go for a run for 1 hour and try to be behind my trading station at 6 a.m. That's exactly actually what I did for almost 10 years. And that's very, very important because I almost done with my day when a lot of people are still in bed. And if you want to become successful, you should get into these amazing habits of waking up early, finish your day early, and be active in your life, especially during the morning session. Now let's see how my day look like. A lot of shares of TNA in there is popping up. Come on, NVIDIA, yeah, nice pop. One more push. Tesla did nothing. Qs are above the VWAP. IWM is up a little bit, nothing crazy. See, this Visa just dropped. See, that's why I don't like trading these penny stocks. Look at that. This is a massacre. NVIDIA is popping up now. Let's see if we can get that breakout on it. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. So I'm getting out of NVIDIA slowly, partialing out. I got a big size, so just getting out of it slowly, partially. Nice. That's a nice A+ setup. Pretty good night trade. Tesla is fighting, huh? So now that's turned out to be a really nice 5-minute mid-range breakup. I did it! I did a good trade behind the camera. Nice! Yeah, I got that. It's live. Usually, so what time is it? 7. And usually if I feel good, which I do today, I go for a run for 1 hour and come back home, take a shower, having a bunch of other new coffee, because I drink a lot of coffee to wake up these days, and go to the office. Sound good? Let's do it. You know, I actually go to office like that. And I love that. I don't want to be going in a suit in office. I'm an entrepreneur, so I own my company. So I want to be a trader, so be able to go to office like that. Sometimes I go to business meetings like this, like lawyers and stuff, and I say, I'm sorry, I just finished the run. They're cool, like this is Vancouver. One time, I was going to buy a watch for my brother and a Rolex shop. So I went like that. They didn't open the door for me. So my brother came and they knew him because he was, seeing them before. So they actually opened the door for us. They didn't let me in. Yeah. Good morning, Jazz. How are you? We're shooting a documentary about my life. She's amazing. Yeah. Oh, chilly this morning, huh? I live in Cole Harbor. It's I think one of the best neighborhoods in the world, next to the water, and Vancouver is beautiful with the mountains and with the ocean, and there's really nice seawall. So 1 hour every morning, I really need it. It's a stress relief for trading. It's really important for me to this because again, trading is a high performing field, it's stressful, and that during that 1 hour is a really good stress relief, and I love that. Usually listen to either music or a podcast. And during that 1 hour, it's just stress release, and it's a time with yourself and your mind, and then your day starts. I made my day, I did my workout, and my employees are not in the office yet. And that's how I think you're building your life. When I was poor, I was a student, there was a rich guy that I really looked up into that. And that's what he told me. He told me that go 5, 8 o'clock in the morning, you see all the Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Mercedes, all the good cars at 5. And then when it comes to 8 and 9, all the Toyotas and the employees' cars are coming. If you really want to build your life, the owners and stuff, they actually wake up early in the morning and they start their day early in the morning. So my day after trading, a lot of people are asking me, what am I doing with my day? So I go for a run, I come back and have the meeting with the staff in the office, making sure that the technology is going up. And then a lot of time, the day, just administration of the businesses. Like right now, I get a letter from Canada Revenue Agency and IRS for being audited. So now it takes a lot of time to me prepare the documents, answer them, reply. The administration of running my businesses also takes a lot of time. Plus we have to do the planning for the people and then making sure that the things are going up. But I love that. I mean, I enjoy that because it's my own business. I enjoy that. I don't feel that it's really a drag in me that, you know, consuming my soul. It's at my own pace. It's on my own time. And specifically, I want the office to also enjoy their time. You know, we have a nice office, big office, have fun, play the game for the lunchtime. I encourage them to go out if the weather is good during the lunchtime to, you know, enjoy the time. So it's very important for me to the work environment to be nice. And people just wake up because majority of our time in life is at work. And if you don't like the people you're working with, or if you don't enjoy your work environment or what you are doing, what's the point of that job? You have to quit that. And I've been in corporations that they have been poisonous environments, and then you don't feel that you're progressing, you don't feel that you're contributing, you don't feel that you're being seen or appreciated. And I hate that. And that's my style of management and life. All right, what's up, traders? Now I want to tell you about something that happened to me and how it impacted my life. So I came to Canada in 2009 as an international student from a country that had nothing to do with the Western culture. I barely spoke the language. I went to the University of British Columbia, did a really good PhD, published papers, patents, and I was really proud of the path that I'm going, and I was seeing myself going to become a professor or get a really good research job. And I got a job, and I was so proud that I'm just keep building my life. I wasn't happy with the salary that I was making, but I was happy with the path that I was going. Finally, I started making money. For the first time, I had a few $1,000s in my bank account. And I was going really well until my job that I was so proud of it. One day they called me to the office and they gave me this letter. The date is July 15, 2015. And it says the letter of termination. You know, essentially after 7 months of working there, they terminated my position. And it was just a big shock for me because I was so proud of everything. I was doing amazing, living in the city that I wanted, and then I got this letter. And it was really hard on me. It was really, really hard. I was embarrassed in front of my partner. I was embarrassed in front of my family. I was embarrassed in front of my friends that I was so proud of the things that I was achieving. But this letter of employment, that I still have it, changed my life because that forced me to look beyond corporate America, that I can actually build my life the way that I want. So they gave me a severance package and I started trading with the package. However, I lost money, like all the beginners luck that you make some money and then you eventually lose it. But I really wanted trading. I really wanted this lifestyle that I have. I got another job after 5 months that I was unemployed. I got another job not related to engineering, just to pay the bills, woke up in the morning, try to keep my life together, run, do the trading, learn the trading. And that was the amount of time that I decided to, okay, I published my first version of book, which was very small, shared experiences that I learned. And as we go, I just got better and better and better. And I fight for the life that I have. So this is a big reminder for me, and I want this to be for you, that you can change your life. That sometimes the worst thing that can happen to you, or you think they're the worst thing that happened to you, can be the best thing that ever happened to you. And you have to build your life upon those. Steve Jobs says that you cannot look at the life forward. You have to look at it backward. Put these dots next to each other and see where you got. And that's what happened. This was the worst moment in my life, but it turned out to be the best gift that the universe gave me, because that forced me to change. It wasn't easy. I had to get another job. I had to work multiple times, wake up early in the morning, but eventually got it. And if you put your mind in there, you can do it as well.